Hi there guys, my name is Vladimir and you are on Russian Traders channel. So today we're gonna trade, analyze and make some really good profit.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Before we move on, make sure you leave your thumbs up because Aleja is back, my best colleague ever. So today we're gonna trade really hot, okay? So he was beaten by the bears, but that's why he was missing. If you are watching, if this is not the first video you're watching, then you know that he was missing. So right now he's back and I'm very happy about it. So let's move on straight to the trading, guys. So right now, what gonna we do? Right now we need to set our workspace first, of course. So let's set the period over here. It will be 7, okay, 2, okay. Let's choose RSI. So here, right now I will not explain you about these indexes, guys, but you will find all this info at my Telegram channel. The link is down below over here. If you are interested, there is much more useful information. So yes, we are moving on to the first pair, and right now I'm opening a sell trade over here. So what's basically happening on this graph? Let's consider. So globally, we are still in a downtrend right now, so the buyer is weak, still can't buy the fall, we can say, okay? So we expect further decline here and approach again to the support zone at 49.9900. You see this level, right? So we're moving to this one. So the oscillator has a margin of safety. We got the option down, guys, right now. So basically you can see the price oscillating, but it is going down slowly. So if you are newbie to trading, if you want to learn more, if you are looking for strategies or signals for trading, for example, you will find all this information in my Telegram channel. The link is down below, guys. So everything is out there. Here I'm not explaining you how indicators work and stuff. Here we only consider trading, analyzing and making money, okay? So right now we are moving down and we got our first trade closed, 154 bucks. Great, Aleja, you seen it? Perfect. That's just perfect, guys. So we are moving on to the next pair. That's a very cool beginning of a trading day. Okay. Okay, here, what do we got here? We approach the resistance zone here on top right now, and the line of the super trend indicator, as you can see as well. So at the same time here, take a look. RSI is approaching to the overbought zone, so we can expect a decline right now. That's why basically we're opening a sell trade here, guys. So all these indicators are telling us about that the option is to go down at the moment. Although the price is oscillating right now here, it will not break out this level because it's very strong level of resistance over here. We will go down right now, so there is no chances that the price will go up at the moment. So yes, we are already slowly going down below this level we opened our trade, and all we need to do is to wait a little bit. And I am about to remind you that you are on a Russian Traders channel. My name is Vladimir, Aleja. We are here to make money. If you like it, make sure thumbs ups. And yes, we got our trade closed, $297. Great. So we are moving on to the next pair right now. Here we are done. Moving on to the next pair, and I'm predicting huge profits for today. You will see. Okay, so let's set the amount 297 and open a buy trade. What do we see here? So we see that the longer lower shadows of the candlesticks have appeared. Okay, I mean these lines, these shadows, they appeared. This is the evidence that the buyer is starting to come into the asset and to push it up. This is the evidence for the buyer to come. Okay, when you see these shadows, keep it in mind. Okay. So the oscillator is closer to the oversold zone at the moment, and we expect a bounce, of course. The buyer is coming and we expect the bounce, because here the seller is getting weak. The buyer is coming and everything we expect is a bounce from this level and the option to go up. Okay. So here, what else can I say? Basically nothing, because here it's absolutely clear, guys. So I'm always telling you, if you're new to the trading and you don't see these things yet, okay, it's okay. You just need a little bit more practice over here, guys, and we got a trade close, by the way, $573. Perfect. By the way, I'm trading here with Quotex, as you can see. Very convenient platform, and so yes, all you need is a bit practice, is a bit knowledge. Practice by your own, take knowledge here. That's basically why I'm here, Vladimir. Okay, so Russian Traders channel, make sure you're subscribed, guys, and we are moving slowly to the next pair to see what is happening over there. Okay, so So right now I'm opening a buy trade here. We are seeing a trend change at the moment. The oscillator just came out of the oversold zone upwards, you see, and we expect an approach to the liquidity zone and at the level of 0.87650. You see this level, right? So we expect an approach to the liquidity zone right now. So the price is still oscillating, but that's okay for high volatility market, of course. Also pretty clear situation. Aleja, what do you think? Will we succeed with this one trade? So do I. So let's just wait a little bit, guys, and see what will happen. Perfect, we got a trade closed, $1,000. Not bad, I guess. So let's move on to the next pair. Alright, we are in a very interesting situation over here, guys, right now. So I'm opening a buy trade here at the moment. What can I say? We are globally in a downtrend, right? We are globally in a downtrend right now. But there is always but. But we see it as a pattern forming on the bounce. Right now, this long shadow of the candle from below and almost no body. You see, almost no body of the candle and a long shadow. So what does it mean? It means just as at the previous situation that the buyers will take the power pretty soon, okay? So the RSI oscillator is just in the oversold zone already. You see, oversold zone. And let's try an option up right now because all these indicators are telling us that situation is about to change. Although we are in a global downtrend, the situation is about to change very soon. So let's basically try the option up and see what's about to happen. It's actually already started to change and we got a trade closed with $2,000, of course. Yes, pretty clear. So guys, make sure you leave a thumbs up. This is Russian Traders channel. My name is Vladimir and Aleja. We are here to help you out with trading, guys. And let's move on forward to the next pair. Okay. Right now I'm opening a sell trade over here. Why? Well, because we expect a pullback within the upward trend to the downside right now. So we were in an uptrend for shortly. We were in an uptrend, in a global uptrend right now. So here we expect right now to go the price to go down from the resistance zone at 43.9985. You see this level, right? Very strong level of resistance here, and here the price will reverse. It's already in reverse, and the price is about to go down right now. So the oscillator is close to the overbought as well. If you take a look at the RSI indicator, okay? So here we basically already can see the price is strongly oscillating. Well, that's the normal behavior when the price is about to reverse from going up, for example, to going down, okay? So all these indicators are worth considering when you are when you want to make good profits, guys. And before moving on to trading, make sure you understand how these indicators work, because once you know how they work, they will definitely help you out in all the situations, okay? So, and you will find all this useful information. Yes, we got a trade close, $3,952. So you will find all this useful information in my Telegram channel, which is absolutely free for everyone. Just join, read, I don't know, inspire, and make really good profits. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. So what do we got here? Okay, here right now I'm opening a buy trade. Here I'm opening a buy trade. So here I can see sideways near 5.100090. You see, and 5.10130. So these are sideways near these levels and a good liquidity zone. And there is a zone of buyer interest there. Okay, so expect in such situation you can expect a bounce upwards again to the super trend moving line. Okay. So the RSI indicator is telling us pretty same information right now. We were close to the overbought zone, to the overbought zone, but we are moving up right now. Okay, so yes, let's just wait a little bit and see what's gonna happen. Right now we already see the price oscillating and slowly starts to normally go up, which is okay. Pretty clear situation. Let's just be patient, guys, and wait a bit more. Yes, great, we got a trade close, $5,700. Pretty good, I think. And yes, here we're done. I guess we can move on to the next pair. Don't forget to leave your thumbs up, because my name is Vladimir, I'm Russian trader, and I'm here to help you out with trading. Okay. So let's set the amount here, $3,000. And very interesting situation over here. We're in a long uptrend right now, so we already faced such a situation. Right now we are opening a sell trade here. We are expecting a pullback down and therefore taking a short option as we entered to, the overbought zone over here. So we entered an overbought zone. If you take a look at the RSI indicator, we are in an overbought zone on the big candle and started to fight with the seller right now here. So yes, basically this is the very moment when the price starts to reverse, and if we were in an uptrend, we are about to go down right now. So we are already going down slowly, which is quite normal behavior for the market and for the price in such situation. So we just need to be patient. Once again, you should always be patient, don't panic, no panic. Yeah, it's pretty okay. So I guess we're gonna get really good profits here. Yes, we're done. $5,730. Pretty good, not bad. My bears will get something to eat today. Okay, let's move on to the next pair. Well, I guess this will be the last pair for today, the last but not the least pair, and let's see what's happening over here. Let's set the amount, $1,500, and we are opening a buy trade here. Why? Let me explain. Here we have very strong uptrend, you see. We need a pullback to get out of the overbought zone. So if you take a look at the RSI once again, we are in an overbought zone. So we expect a minimum to the lower boundary of the super trend line as usually, okay. According to the technical analysis, the price periodically tests it from above, and that's quite normal behavior, but you should consider all these indicators, and you should, you know, see this situation several times to get, to understand how and why they appear. And by the way, if you want to understand why do such situations appear, or you want to get some really good and cool strategies, just make sure you enter my Telegram channel. The link is down below. There you'll find much useful information absolutely free. Take it, use it, get some really good profits. It's all for you guys. So the trade closed $2,800. Pretty good. So this was Vladimir and Russian Traders channel. Me, Vladimir, and Aleja. We are here to help you out with trading. So make sure you leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed, and see ya in the next one.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.